Find out some more about circles, Agent. Find out how to make them.
The Numberjacks are on their way. The Numberjacks are on their way.
Agent Training Video 8. Making Circles. Hello, Agent. Let's have a look at something new. This is the picture changer. Let's see what it can do to a picture of me. It can flip me left to right. And back again. Or it can flip me top to bottom. It can make the right side of me look like the left side, but back to front. Very strange. Let's see that again. Or it can make the left side of me look like the right side of me, back to front. Very, very strange. The picture changer can make the top half of the picture like the bottom half, but upside down. Or the bottom half of the picture looks like the top half, upside down. But what's all this got to do with circles? Well, have a look at my friend number 6 inside a circle. Can the picture changer change number 6 and change the circle? Let's have a look. If we flip left to right, 6 looks very different, but the circle looks pretty much the same. And if we turn things upside down, 6 looks very different. But the circle doesn't. Interesting things, circles. And if we flip the left side of the picture onto the right side, 6 has now got 3 eyes, but the circle's hardly changed. Flip the right side onto the left side, 6 looks very different. But what about the circle? Hardly changed at all. How about flipping bottom to top? Six has turned into a funny sort of 8, but the circle is still the same. And flip top to bottom, we get a 4-eyed 6. But the circle, pretty much the same. Circles are very special shapes. Let's find out a bit more about circles. Let's use the shape board. With the shape board, we can have a small yellow circle. Or a medium-sized red circle. But can we make a big blue circle? Any ideas? What if we do this? And this? Is it going to make a circle? Yes, you can make a circle from 2 semicircles. What about these 2 semicircles? Will they make a circle? Yes, 2 semicircles can make a circle. Now, if we go to the reflector, the left-hand side gets a shape to match the right-hand side. So, if we match this semicircle, will it make a whole circle? No. How about matching this semicircle? That doesn't work either. Will this semicircle work in the reflector? No. So one last chance. Will this semicircle be reflected to make a whole circle? Yes! Thank you! That semicircle and the reflector. Let's have a look at one more machine. The shape maker. The shape maker makes shapes out of straight lines. It makes all the lines the same length, and we've got a nice and regular triangle. Or we can make an octagon from 8 straight lines. Make them all the same length. A regular octagon. What if we made a regular shape from lots of straight lines? Is that beginning to look a bit like a circle? How could we make something that looks even more like a circle? Let's try lots and lots of straight lines. Here we go. If we make all the straight lines the same length, will it look like a circle? Here goes! If you have enough straight lines, you make it look like that amazing shape, a circle. Well done for watching, Agent. Here's your certificate. This Numberjacks Agent has watched Training Video 8, Making Circles.
The Numberjacks are on their way. The Numberjacks are on their way.
Keep your eyes open for circles everywhere, Agent. It's a good way to learn with the Numberjacks.